Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Jasper for SEO Article Optimization Workflows. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, navigate to the Jasper website and log into your account. Once logged in, locate the dashboard where you can access various features. In the dashboard menu, look for the option labeled SEO Tools. Click on SEO Tools to expand the available features. Select Article Optimization from the drop-down menu. You will now be directed to the Article Optimization interface. Here, you'll find a prompt to enter your primary keyword. Type your target keyword into the provided field. Next, specify the language of your content to ensure optimized results. After entering the keyword, click the button to generate optimization recommendations. Jasper will analyze the keyword and present a list of suggested topics and phrases. Review the suggested terms and select any that resonate with your article's theme. Once you've chosen your topics, start drafting your content in the editor provided. As you write, keep an eye on the optimization score displayed on the right side of the screen. This score will update in real time based on your keyword usage and suggested phrases. Make adjustments to your article as needed to improve the optimization score. After finishing your draft, you can use Jasper's built-in editing tools for polishing your content. When satisfied with your article, save your work and export it to your preferred format. Finally, share your article with your audience across your desired platforms. With these steps, you can effectively connect Jasper for SEO Article Optimization Workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.